ajé ọ̀run wà, ajé àgbáyé wà, ajé olókun wà, ajé ọlọ́sà wà, òun náà ń pè ní ajé ọlọ́sà 77 náà ń pè é, ajé alálẹ̀ wà, ṣàṣà ní irúmọlẹ̀ tó wà láyé tí ò ní ajé tiẹ̀ nínú olóyè. ibùn láàlú ògiri oko méjì lóní, ó ní ajé gbígbóná, ó ní tútù lọ́wọ́. so mo wá ń fi àsìkò yìí torí ẹ̀yin orílẹ̀ Agége, ó yẹ kájọ fẹ́ ọdún yìí lójú ni. lẹ́yìn ìgbà tá a bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọdún ajé lọ́dọ̀ yín, òun ni kábíyèsí Ọọ̀ni of Ifẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọdún ajé nífẹ̀ẹ́ o. kábíyèsí ẹ̀yin mò ń challenge yìí o. lẹ́yìn ìgbà tá a bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọdún ajé lọ́dọ̀ yín, òun ni kábíyèsí Ọọ̀ni of Ifẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọdún ajé. ẹ wá wo bí kábíyèsí Ọọ̀ni of Ifẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ lójú. ẹ wá wo bó ṣe package ẹ̀ tó fẹ́ lójú. ẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀ pọ́nà wá pọ̀. at least ní ọdún a máa ṣe 12 to 18 festivals. ẹ̀yọ̀ kan lélẹ́yìí jẹ́nu ẹ̀ o. èyí tágbára wa bá ká òun là á máa ṣe níwọ̀n ọba, ṣùgbọ́n tẹ̀yìn aráàlú bá corporate àáfẹ́ lójú. ọgbọ́n wà lórí o, ṣùgbọ́n ego ni ò tí ì jẹ́ o. strategy wà o, ego ni ò tí ì jẹ́ o. so mo wá bẹ̀ yín ẹ̀yin orílẹ̀ Agége, ẹ wò bí Ọọ̀ni of Ifẹ̀ ṣe ń ṣe, ẹ wò bí kábíyèsí Aláàfin ṣe máa ń ṣe ní ọdún Ọ̀rànmíyàn. wọ́n máa ń fi ọjọ́ kan lẹ̀ nínú ọdún Ọ̀rànmíyàn láti ṣọdún ajé. ẹ wá wo àwọn ìlú tó yẹ pé wọn ò ṣọdún ajé rí. lẹ́yìn ìgbà tá a bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọdún ajé yìí, wọ́n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọdún ajé, ṣùgbọ́n pákéjì wọn ti ń ju tàwa gan lọ. wọ́n ní tálápá bá ṣí apá, òun náà máa ń bá gbé o. torí mo rí pé ibù ẹ̀yin olóyè gan kábíyèsí fọ́ọ̀sì yín débi ìbà ilé ni. mo ti gbọ́ nú rìpọ́ọ̀tù mi pé kábíyèsí fọ́ọ̀sì yín débi, ẹ wá gba ìpín yín lọ́jọ́ tèní ni. Michael Jackson sọ pé we are not alone here. The spirit of the word is with us. We are rejoicing, we are celebrating his festival, and he's celebrating with us. Gọ́tọ́ dẹ̀ ń pè ní agbára, ajé ní agbára o. Wọ́n ní tó bá sọ pé tó bá lówó lọ́wọ́, tó bá ní òkú o, wà ní hó òkú ẹ̀yàn lẹ́ni tí ò bá lówó lọ́wọ́ o. Ajé ní mú ọmọdé ló ń sọ di àgbàlagbà. Ajé ní jọ pé bàbá ti fẹ́ dé ọjọ́ orí òjú 35 years ni o. ẹni tó ń pè ní bàbá 70 something, wọ́n ní bàbá ti fẹ́ dé nígbà tó bá ń ṣe ìpàdé. Ajé ní jẹ́ pé ẹ má ì tí ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ àpàdé yẹn tí ò bá dé o, torí òun ló lájé lọ́wọ́. so mo bẹ̀ yín ẹ̀yin orílẹ̀ Agége, ọ̀tọ̀lọ́ àní sọ̀rọ̀ òṣèlú ń bí o, àní sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀sìn bí o, ọ̀rọ̀ festival, ọ̀rọ̀ culture la fẹ́ sọ. ẹ rántí ni pé nígbà tí mo wà ní palace onílù fẹ́ máa lù kan, mo ní má gbé yẹn wọ bí báyìí. ọdún la wá ṣe ń bí, wá ṣe ìjàngbara ń bí, struggle kọ́ la wá ṣe ń bí báyìí. tá a bá dénú pàdé wa níjọ́ Tuesday àbí tá a bá fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ jàngbara, à sọ̀rọ̀ jàngbara. lóòótọ́ atẹ́gùn jàngbara ń fẹ́, ó ń fẹ́ gan-an lórígun mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin Nàìjíríà míì, gbogbo aládé rí sáìn. àfẹni tí ò bá lóye lámọ̀ wípé kò yẹ kí a máa múra níbi tá a bá dé yìí. àfẹni tó bá sọ pé ogun ti dé o, torí slogan Yorùbá nìyẹn. Yorùbá ní prepare tó bá ti rógun, Yorùbá ní prepare tó bá ti rí wàhálà, ṣùgbọ́n gbà tí wàhálà bá dé wá ní ogun ti dé o, Yorùbá nìyẹn. we always react, we don't prepare. tí wọ́n bá ti wá rí pé wàhálà yẹn dé, ẹni tí wọ́n bá prepare wọ́n máa blame ẹ̀, ẹni tí wọ́n fún lówó wọ́n máa blame ẹ̀, ẹni tí wọ́n ràn lọ́wọ́ wọ́n máa blame ẹ̀. wọ́n ò dẹ̀ parapọ̀ kọ́ ràn lọ́wọ́ láti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Yorùbá nìyẹn o. ẹ náà rí wo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nílẹ̀ Yíbò, iná ń kán bẹ̀ yẹn, wọ́n suppress news yẹn ni o. ẹ wo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Niger Delta, iná ń kán bẹ̀ yẹn, wọ́n suppress news yẹn ni o. nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní North East, iná ń kán bẹ̀ yẹn, wọ́n suppress yẹn ni o. nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní North West North Center, iná ń kán bẹ̀ yẹn, wọ́n suppress news yẹn ni o. ọ̀dọ̀ wa nìkan ló dà pé àlàáfíà díẹ̀ wà. wọ́n dẹ̀ ní ikú tó bá ń pa ojúgbà ẹni, òwe ní ń pamọ́ ni. so kí àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ká múra, ká dira wa ní òṣùṣù ọwọ̀. àsìkò ká máa bú ẹnìkan, àsìkò ká máa sọ̀rọ̀ sẹ́nìkan ó ti kọjá o. wọ́n bá dẹ̀ ń sọ̀rọ̀ sọ́ba kó má sọ̀rọ̀ sí mi o, èmi á ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́ ni o, màá ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́ pẹ̀lú nǹkan tó dáa ni o. wọ́n bá ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ sọ́ba kó jáwọ́ lọ́rọ̀ tèmi o.
ààrẹ orí mọ́jọ ń ṣàárẹ̀ ọ̀nà ọ̀nà kakanfò ààrẹ orí májẹ̀ sàárẹ̀ ọ̀nà kakanfò.
orí mi májẹ̀ sàárẹ̀ ọ̀nà kakanfò gbàgbú bàbá nìyẹn.
táwọn ò bá lè lo nǹkan tó wà lẹ́yìn ìkùlé wọn fún ọ èmi á lo nǹkan tèmi bá ní. tí báwọn ọba ò bá lè lo nǹkan tó wà ní ṣẹ̀dá wọn lé wọn èmi á lo nǹkan tí bá ní. kólúkẹ́lẹ́gbẹ́ kó mọ ẹgbẹ́ tó o bá fẹ́ groom Facebook ẹ kó lọ wá nǹkan mi groom Facebook ẹ kì í ṣe orúkọ tèmi. gbogbo ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn ti pè mí lórí mẹ́rin àgbẹ̀ ààrẹ jèbù rẹ̀ mo ní ẹni ẹ sọ fáwọn náà kan má dalẹ̀ mọ́ ààrẹ jèbù rẹ̀ ẹ sọ fún wọn kan má dalẹ̀ mọ́ ní agbára náà ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ò ní dàrú o wàhálà ò ní wọlé Yorùbá o gbogbo ẹni tó ń ṣeré sílẹ̀ Yorùbá lórí mẹ́rin àgbáyé àlùbáríkà máa jẹ́ tiẹ̀ ẹ má jẹ́ ká jẹra wa lẹ́sẹ̀ the last opportunity tí Yorùbá nírè láti bọ́ lóko ẹrú tí a bá sọ̀rọ̀ àwa papọ̀ àtẹ̀wá nírí ogun atẹ́gùn tó ń fẹ́ bọ̀ yìí kò ní dọ́dọ̀ wa torí gbogbo nǹkan tí Ọlọ́run fi fún Yorùbá láti fi block ogun má wọlé Ọlọ́run fún Yorùbá o mo bẹ́ nìkan sọ̀rọ̀ ní ìjẹrin ó wá sọ fún mi pé bàbá nǹkó tó kú wọ́n nígbà tí ogun ṣẹlẹ̀ ńlẹ̀ Yorùbá wọ́n rí tírà kan sí igun mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin ìlú Ìwó kẹ máa gbọ́ o ẹnìyẹn kan sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ fún mi ordinary ni kò dẹ̀ wọ́n pé mo pick nǹkan bẹ̀ ó ní wọ́n rí tírà mẹ́rin sí odindi orígun mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin Ìwó ó nígbà tó wá di pé gbogbo ogun ṣẹlẹ̀ ńlẹ̀ Yorùbá kò wọ Ìwó ogun ò wọ Ìwó rí ó ní ó wá yá ọba Aṣírù wá wò pé development ò wọ Ìwó pé development kò wọ ìlú Ìwó ó wá wádìí wọ́n wá sọ pé àwọn àgbààgbà kan ní about 140 years ago wọ́n ti rí tírà mẹ́rin sí orígun mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin ìlú Ìwó kógun má balẹ̀ wọbẹ̀ ìkan wá kùnú àwọn àgbààgbà méje tó ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn wọ́n wá tọ̀ bàbá yẹn lọ bàbá yẹn ní lóòótọ́ ni o ó dẹ̀ sọ ìgbà táwọn rí tírà yẹn wọ́n wá fi odidi ọjọ́ mẹ́ta òun náà fi wú tírà yẹn káàkiri orígun mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin Ìwó nígbà tó wú tírà yẹn kúrò ó ní development tó wọlé o ṣé wọ́n pé tírà yẹn ó capture pé àti ire o àti bí o kó máa wọnú ìlú yẹn wọ́n ṣẹ̀ wá lọ wú tírà yẹn ìgbà yẹn nìkan mèremère láyé ọba Aṣírù ní òkè ìṣọba tó wà ń bẹ̀ sí o ní development oríṣiríṣi ṣẹ̀ wá ń wọnú Ìwó Yorùbá ní agbára a ní ọgbọ́n a ní ìmọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n ká máa jẹra wa lẹ́sẹ̀ ká má sọ̀rọ̀ àpapọ̀ yìí ká má fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ yìí òun ló ń jẹ wá níyà tó bá jẹ́ ègún ni mo pàṣẹ látẹnu ìní lọ ègún yà kúrò nílẹ̀ Yorùbá tó bá jẹ́ àṣàsí ni àbí tírà kan làwọn ìran kan lọ́n ṣàṣì wa Ọlọ́run ọba tó ní igun mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin àgbáyé tó dá ayé tó dá ọ̀run tó dá gbèdé méjì ayé àti ọ̀run Ọlọ́run àbá wa ká kúrò nílẹ̀ Yorùbá ẹ jẹ́ ń ka àdàkọ mi. I'm delighted to welcome you all to this year edition of Word Festival, Ọdún Ajé. And I think you will all agree with me that we are all lucky to be here today because God has counted us to be among the living. I feel honored to stand before you today, as always, because last year, Word Festival, Ọdún Ajé, could not hold like every other festival due to rampaging coronavirus pandemic that affected the entire world. But we decided to celebrate the festival today in order to bring back the good memory of the past and restore peace to this community. So whatever it is, the fact still remains that God has really helped us by giving us the grace to be alive and be part of a yet another historical moment. Kábíyèsí Ọlọ́run ọba alààyè ọba dúró gbọ̀ngbọ̀n lẹ́yìn aṣòtítọ́, we exalt your holy name for this wonderful opportunity being here today. I will also extend my special greeting to our royal fathers and hosts, Kábíyèsí Aláyége of Orílẹ̀ Ayége Kingdom, His Royal Majesty Ọba Abali Akeem Agbedeyi JP Kábíyèsí o Àṣeyí Ṣàmọ́dún. To all the chiefs and our prominent guests, we appreciate you all for finding time to be part of this special event. All over the world, there is no doubt that wealth symbolizes fortunes and joy. Wealth is natural and it is spiritual in nature. In the spiritual realm, wealth is also one of the most powerful deities in life. So, as we celebrate the festival today, we are also sending a special message to the spiritual realm, because wealth festival is actually the celebration of deities in charge of wealth. For instance, Ajé is a powerful deity, and it is always in charge of fortunes and prosperity. Wealth symbolizes money in abundance, and it is the symbol of good living. It is also create the path to success, because with wealth, so many things can be made possible. And also in the spiritual realm, there is a spiritual affinity between wealth, Ajé, and mankind. No man can be rich or wealthy in life without having it in spiritual realm. By celebrating Ajé Festival annually here in Orílẹ̀ Agége, we have contributed in no small measure to the progress and development of this community. We have injected several million to the economy of this town. We have also revived the fortunes of this community. For over 1 decade now, our organization, Olokun Festival Foundation, OFF, has made a major breakthrough in cultural promotion and rebirth. We have also invested so much of our own time and resources in ensuring that we regain the lost glory of our race. As much as we continue to preserve our culture and tradition, I think it is important for me to appreciate our river monarch in Yoruba land, the Ọọ̀ni of Ife, the Imperial Majesty Ọba Adéyẹyè Ẹniìtàn Ògúnwùsì, and the Aláàfin of Ọ̀yọ́ Ọba Lámídì Adéyẹmí III, for celebrating Ajé Festival in their respective domain. By celebrating Ajé Festival, Arole Oòduà and Ikú Bàbá Yèyé have set the standard of cultural rebirth and transformation. And I think other monarchs should emulate the good gestures. Each community and town in Yoruba land must have Ajé in their respective palace. It doesn't matter whether the traditional ruler is a Christian or Muslim. It is about projecting our culture and tradition. It is about building the wealth in the spiritual world for it to manifest in the physical world. By celebrating Ajé Festival, we can change the whole narrative. We can set a great standard. Sadly, the problem we have in Yoruba land is that we have failed to identify with what is truly ours. We have foundational problem. As we continue abandoning our culture and tradition, we continue having problems, which ordinarily can be solved with our traditional means. Our culture and tradition play a major role in discovery of our destiny, and we cannot blame God for any evil that befall on us as a result of ignoring our tradition, culture, and heritage. Both Muslim and Christian have done well by institutionalizing and packaging their doctrines and practice. For instance, Saudi Arabia, the Holy Kaaba remains the symbol of Islamic rejuvenation. And from all over the world, tourists come from far and near to see Kaaba and pray in spirituality. The world is a global village. Other countries of the world are doing their best to project their cultural identity. For example, countries like China, Japan, Malaysia became popular among the most industrialized countries in the world because of their weight. But in spite of these cultural differences in the world, those countries are able to develop and promote their distinct cultural identity, including their national resources, tradition, and heritage. For instance, India, with such diverse culture, is doing great today because the citizens appreciate what they have and what God has given to them. They promote and project their culture and tradition. Such is the greatest of Indian culture. In India, the opportunity of having various religion, occupation, faith in the country, really the cause of such diversification. In India, Diwali is the most spectacular festival of the people. It is usually celebrated during different culture of the country with great interest and joy. Irrespective of religion and society, other festivals including Holi, Dussehra, Ganesh. But the question is, how can we develop our culture and tradition? At a time like this, when the security situation in the country is bad, it is at this moment that, however, Nigeria can do better. Yoruba, with all potentials and huge human capacity, have taken its transformation of our culture into their own destiny, taking it to our own destiny as part of destiny in our own hands. It is my hope, and therefore, that in the next few years, Orile Agege will turn out to be one of the leading communities in Lagos and Yoruba land. I commend the Southern Governor for the stand firm against open grazing. We totally support their position on the ban of open grazing in the South. For example, most time I feel sad at the state of insecurity across the Southwest and Nigeria. In Southwest, kidnapping, banditry, killing have since been the bane of our region. We are in the 21st century. The open grazing practice is old. It has created more challenge than it could solve, and I wonder why federal government is bent on going against the wish of the people in the Southerners. In the last few years, Nigeria has been in the news mostly for the wrong reason and wrong posture. In the spate of insecurity in the country is alarming, and it is increasing every day. I think we need to tackle the menace using the traditional approach and global templates. The federal government has failed to unravel the mystery behind the various security challenges in the country. And by going against the wish of the citizen, federal government has only created disunity, anarchy, instability, lack of cohesion among the various tribes and ethnic groups in Nigeria. Things have gone wrong. It is beyond everybody's imagination. That is why we advocate for self-determination as a licensed solution to solve Nigerian problem. We cannot continue to deceive ourselves as a race. The Yoruba are tired of this failed federation. We have graduated from restructuring to self-determination for us to have our destiny in our own hand. The grammar for restructuring have their own eyes. Those clamoring for restructuring have their own eyes on 2023 election, and their agenda at variance with the present demands. For us as a race, it is a new dawn. We are determined to go our way, get what we want. Legitimately, without creating unnecessary tension, Yoruba can do better as a race. That is part of our destiny for greatness. We can do better if we can unite as a race. As a Yoruba sons and daughters, it does not matter whether you are a Muslim or Christian or traditionalist. It behoves on you to work with others for the progress of our own race. Finally, let us address the security issue in our region in the most holistic manner. We must also focus on enhancing the social integration among the 6 states in the Southwest. Thanks for listening. God bless you all.
Máa jọba lọ Olúwa, máa jọba lọ Olúwa, máa jọba lọ Olúwa, máa jọba lọ ọlọ́run àwa